Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a fuel filter. First, identify the two fuel filter locations on your truck. One is in the engine bay and the other is underneath the truck, typically near the fuel tank. Before you begin, make sure your engine is completely cool. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 28mm socket, a ratchet with extensions, and a clean drain pan to catch any diesel fuel. Safety first, so grab your gloves and eye protection. Now let's get to draining. For the engine-mounted filter, locate the yellow petcock valve and turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise to drain the fuel into your pan. Next, move to the rear filter. You'll need to unplug the electrical connector for the water and fuel sensor. Once drained and disconnected, use your 28mm socket or a filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove both filter housings. Take your time to avoid making a mess. With the old filters out, it's time for the new ones. Always replace the O-rings. Lubricate them with a little clean diesel fuel to ensure a proper seal. Insert the new filter elements, making sure they are fully seated. Hand tighten the filter caps first, then use your wrench to snug them down. Remember, these are plastic, so avoid over-tightening. Don't forget to reconnect the water and fuel sensor to the rear filter. After installation, priming the fuel system is crucial. Turn your ignition to the on position for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times to allow the fuel pump to push fuel through the new filters and remove any air. Now, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, carefully inspecting both filter areas for any signs of leaks. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, reset your fuel filter life indicator on the dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.